we are checking out my new KUCCU black stainless steel mixer in this video. So super excited. We're gonna actually demo some cake batter in this throughout the video. So the bowl itself, super large, 6.5 quarts total is what it should hold, so I have plenty of space in here. But love that the bowl itself too is machine washable, so if you don't want to hand clean it, pop it in your dishwasher. It is totally dishwasher safe, which is so handy. But the bowl itself also comes with a ton of attachments. I'm using the Easy Mix option here. And then there is 6 different levels you can choose from as well. So you can be super precise if you need a slow stir all the way up to fast, which is great. Whether you're doing a bread dough, a thicker batter, meringue, whipping cream, I do appreciate that on it. But look at the level of power you get. That's just on level 2. So you can tell it's a super strong, consistent motor on there. Specifically, it's 660 watts, very high performance motor. And I think I mixed this for about 2 minutes for this cake batter. What's really nice about this whole mixer is that it actually has suction cups at the bottom as well. So as it's mixing, that is super stable on the counter. So no problems with anything moving around. Super easy to attach the mixing attachment that you choose or desire on there as well. You pretty much just wiggle it in up top. And it does come with a little spatula as well. So this is their included one. So I'm just scraping out the bottom, which is good. It mixed most of it. I feel like if I had a bit more liquid in there, I might not have had those small amount of kind of powdery bits at the bottom. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how well it mixed everything. So much better than doing it by hand. And especially if you're a bread maker and using it for that purpose, you would get tired out quickly. So machine is mandatory. Here's how all my things came out. Really love it. Does come in a few other colors as well. Check it out.